Welcome back to my video. Well, there's a construction in my bathroom. A pipe broke. Right now I'm just driving my car. We're gonna do this obstacle course. Then I'm gonna have to drive all the way right here. Go down the stair of doom and knock down those cans. Wait, when the cans fell. 100. And then I have to knock down those. Let's do this. Okay, here we go. Oh, a little rusty. Oh. I don't care if I knock down the cans. Let's go down the stair of doom. Stair of doom. Here I come. As you can see, I failed as that. Good. It's still good. Now, let's knock it down. Okay. We're going on the right track. As you can see, this I didn't practice. I just got this car. Okay, we're gonna get a better look. Okay, back up. Okay, good look. Bad. Let's just leave it right here. As you can see, when we knock down one. Knock down. Knock down. It's wrestling. It's wrestling. It just got stuck. Okay. As you can see, I'm not that good. Now, I'm gonna test my wheels. Wait. As you can see, 1, 2. I can see it's actually moving. I'm not faking it. The wheels are good. Let me show you. It's actually driving. Get up! You can see I'm fighting with this thing. I'm fighting. I'm literally just fighting. Fight! Fight! He ain't fighting back. And I'm moving to a can. I am stuck. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it right here. I know you can see me because I blocked out the camera. Okay, so let's get a closer model of my car. Hot car. Royalty family, I like the videos. We're gonna get a pool soon, just like this, but not officially like this. We're gonna have a bigger pool, 100 feet down. Well, not really 100, just 10 feet down or 8, which whenever my mom is gonna do. So right now, we're just starting our pool. As you can see, this actually comes with a camera. It comes with a camera. I can take videos with it. And right now I'm just taking a video with it. I'm taking a video. So we're just gonna turn. Okay, watches the mastermind. Okay, a different angle. Okay, no. Good. Still on the same angle. I have to. Okay, so here's the beautiful Antigua Island. Okay, so right now, yeah, that's the mechanic car. That's my auntie's car. They're the same. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna ask my auntie if she can mix it up. Auntie, can you mix it up, please? Auntie, can you mix it up, please? Okay, thank you. Taka, can you fix it? Can you mix it up? My auntie wants to put her car in your spot and you put your car inside her spot, okay? Okay, thanks. Now, can you tell if I changed it or not? Okay, if you choose this one, you're wrong. If you choose this one, you're correct. And if you change it, you're dead meat. So, put a comment down below. It's your choice. What video should I make next? Should I make it about the plants or my dogs that are sleeping there? Okay, let me show you my dogs that are sleeping. Just get you out of here. Okay, my dogs that are sleeping. I'm gonna see them. Let's stay inside the shade so I don't lose you. Look at that food. Okay, you can't look at these two people. You want these people? These people? Or those people? Which one? Write in the comments below. They're cute. Say hi, Cecil. Hi, everyone. How y'all doing? Say hi, Kevin. Yo, sup. Say hi, Cecil. Hi. I'm just looking at my owner's foot. Whatever his name is. Now, okay? Kevin says hi. Yeah, say hi to my followers. Guys, you better subscribe before I kill you all. Kevin, calm down. Yeah, I love licking things. So, put your comments down below. Which one should I do? These people